Hey you. Yeah, you, scrolling through your phone, wondering if there's a way to break free from the grind, to make money online without falling for another overhyped guru promising you millions overnight. I see you, dreaming of a life where you call the shots, maybe sipping coffee in a beachside cafe or just not panicking every time a bill hits your inbox. You're tired of the scams, the buy my $3,000 course nonsense, and the influencers flexing lifestyles that feel a million miles away. I get it. I've been there, lost in the noise, wondering if this whole make money online thing is just a pipe dream. Spoiler alert, it's not. But it's also not about secret hacks or magic apps. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a no-nonsense, step-by-step guide to making money online, starting from scratch, using what you already have, with zero BS. This is for you, the dreamer who's ready to turn possibility into reality. So, grab a pen, stick with me, and let's build something real together. Imagine this, you're 24, maybe crashing on a friend's couch or splitting rent in a tiny apartment with Wi-Fi that barely works. You've got dreams bigger than your bank account, a trip to Europe, a side hustle that pays your bills, or just the freedom to buy groceries without checking your balance first. But every time you Google how to make money online, you're bombarded with crypto scams, sketchy dropshipping schemes, or TikTokers telling you to sell NFTs of your dog. It's exhausting, right? It makes you feel like maybe you're not smart enough, not connected enough, or just not lucky enough. But here's the truth. You don't need luck. You need a plan. Making money online is like building a house. You start with a foundation, add bricks one by one, and before you know it, you've got a home. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint, the bricks, and the tools to start building. Let's dive into the first step, finding your starting point. Your starting point is what you already bring to the table. Everyone's got something, some skill, some passion, some spark that can light the way. Maybe you're a college student who's killer at graphic design, a gamer who knows every shortcut in Valorant, or just someone who's really good at breaking down complicated stuff into simple words. That's your goldmine. Take Mia, a 23-year-old from Florida. She was working at a coffee shop, barely making rent, but she loved baking and started posting quick dessert recipes on TikTok. Nothing fancy, just her phone, her kitchen, and her love for brownies. Within 6 months, she was making $2,500 a month through brand sponsorships and a small ebook she sold for $10. The key. She didn't wait for a perfect plan or a professional studio. She started with what she had, her love for baking. So, right now, I want you to pause and think, what's one thing you're good at, or even just curious about? Maybe it's fitness, photography, or even organizing your Spotify playlists like a pro. That's your seed. It doesn't need to be groundbreaking, it just needs to be yours. Write it down, because that's where your money-making journey starts. Now, how do you turn that seed into cash? Let's make it practical. If you're great at writing, you can freelance on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, charging $15 to $30 for blog posts or social media captions to start. If you're a gamer, you could create YouTube tutorials or stream on Twitch, sharing tips that newbies would pay to learn. If you love fashion, start an Instagram account showcasing budget-friendly outfits. The internet is like a giant flea market. There's a buyer for every skill, no matter how niche. Think of it like a lemonade stand on the busiest street in the world. You don't need a gourmet recipe or a neon sign. Just a simple cup of lemonade and a willingness to show up. That's your foundation. Start small, but start today, because waiting for the perfect moment is like waiting for a bus that never comes. Next up, let's talk about building your platform. This is where most people freeze, thinking they need 1 million followers, a pro camera, or a slick website to start. Nope. Your platform is just a place to share your value. It could be a free TikTok account, a Twitter thread, or even a Google Doc where you pitch your services. The secret sauce. Consistency and being real. Let's go back to Mia. She didn't have a fancy ring light or a huge budget. She used her iPhone and posted one recipe every day for 3 months. Each video was short, messy, and full of her goofy personality. People didn't follow her because she was perfect. They followed her because she was real. That's what builds trust, and trust builds income. Pick one platform that fits you. Instagram for visuals, YouTube for long-form videos, LinkedIn for professional skills, and commit to posting something valuable every day for 30 days. If you're into fitness, share a quick stretch that saved your back. If you're a coder, post a 1-minute tip on debugging. The algorithm rewards consistency, but more importantly, your audience will start to see you as someone they can rely on. Here's a metaphor to lock this in. Building your platform is like planting a garden. You don't need a huge plot of land, just a small patch of dirt and a commitment to water it every day. Over time, those tiny seeds of content grow into a thriving garden that attracts people who want what you're offering. And don't worry about being polished. People crave real over perfect. As the legendary entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk once said, you don't need to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So, post that first video, write that first article, share that first tip. Show up, be you, and keep showing up. That's how you turn a platform into a paycheck. Now, let's get to the part you're probably most excited about, turning your platform into actual money. There are 3 smart ways to do this without selling out: services, products, and partnerships. First, services. If you've got a skill, sell it directly. Writing. Offer to create blog posts or email newsletters. Photography. Shoot headshots for local businesses. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great, but don't sleep on direct outreach. DM small businesses on Instagram or email startups in your niche. Take Ethan, a 20-year-old from California. He loved video editing and started offering to cut gaming clips for YouTubers. He charged $40 a video at first, and now he's making $4,000 a month because he built a reputation for being reliable. Second, products. Create something once and sell it forever, like an ebook, a workout plan, or even a $7 digital planner. The beauty: you make it once and it keeps earning. Third, partnerships. Once you have an audience, brands will pay you to promote their products. But only say yes to stuff you'd actually use. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away. Think of monetization like a campfire. You don't need a wildfire to stay warm, you just need a steady flame. Pick one method, nail it, then add another. Here's the big picture. Making money online isn't about overnight millions. It's about small, intentional steps that stack up. It's like climbing a mountain. You don't leap to the top. You take one step, then another, and suddenly you're looking at a view that takes your breath away. Every post you share, every email you send, every skill you hone is a step toward freedom. Freedom to quit that soul-sucking job, to travel, to live life on your terms. But you have to start. Right now, before you click away, I challenge you to take one action. Write down one skill you can share. Post one piece of content today. Send one pitch to a potential client. As the great philosopher, Will Smith, once said, you don't set out to build a wall. You say, I'm going to lay this brick as perfectly as a brick can be laid. And soon, you have a wall. You're not too young, too broke, or too inexperienced. You're enough right now. If this sparked something in you, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's keep building your wall together. Drop a comment. What's the one thing you're starting with today? I'm reading every single one, and I can't wait to see you lay your first brick.